Hey everybody, welcome back to Smokey Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we did a very simple but I hope, very awesome recipe for some blue cheese dip for some bacon chip dips. Yeah. It's going to be incredible. Why don't you go and give it a whirl, kiddo? Yeah. So yes, these are trimmed up bacon slices to look like tortilla chips. Pretty good. Pretty good. You like it? So this was
that means 10 thumbs up.
10 thumbs up? I think that's the best we've ever had. So not only this is fresh blue cheese from the grocery store, and we use heavy whipping cream as well as Greek yogurt to make, of course, with a little black pepper. Bacon was also from the same store. We just got the thicker cut bacon, sliced it up, put it on the smoker for about 20 to 30 minutes, and from 325 to 350 until they were doneness to be good and hard, because you want them to be kind of like a chip to give you a good crunch. That's good. Wow. This is pretty simple, huh? Well, this is not meant to be a main course, but it probably will end up being a main course for us today.
Yeah, it's more like a snack.
Exactly. Meant to be a snack. Maybe when you're watching a football game. What's your favorite team?
Seahawks.
Seahawks? Exactly. Go Hawks. Oh, it's a big one. Go for it. Oof. Not only is this good, it discourages double dipping because the chips are so small. Normally, the chips, the chips are okay. What you're going for is the sauce. When it's like this,
or it's like chips and guac or chips and guacamole.
Chips and salsa or something like that, right?
That's what I meant, chips salsa. I couldn't think of it, so I just said the first thing that popped in my head was guac. Because Mommy always gets at Chipotle chips and guac.
That's true.
Not
they
always,
have pretty good guacamole, don't they?
Not always, but
sometimes. Yeah. Wow.
She used to not, but now she does. I guess.
Well, 10 thumbs up from my sous chef. So thank you so much everybody for watching. Fun video as always here at Smokey Barbecue. Please follow what we're doing. Like to keep it family friendly and have a good time when we're doing it. I always learn something, and she always learns something too. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Keep barbecuing America. Go Hawks.